black holes. And trust me, the more we learn about them, the more terrifying they become. We're talking about objects so weird that they break the laws of physics, destroy information, and might literally be doorways to other universes. Buckle up, because we're about to explore mysteries that make even Nobel Prize winners lose sleep. Okay, let's start with the basics, because black holes are already weird enough before we get to the mind-bending stuff. Imagine a star so massive that when it dies, it collapses into a point of infinite density called a singularity. The gravity becomes so intense that nothing, not light, not time, not even your hopes and dreams, can escape once you cross the event horizon. It's like a cosmic roach motel. But here's where it gets freaky. Black holes aren't actually holes, and they're not really black. They're more like invisible cosmic vacuum cleaners that bend space and time so severely that they basically create a one-way ticket to nowhere. And if you fell into one, you'd experience something delightfully called spaghettification. Your body would stretch like taffy because your feet would experience stronger gravity than your head. Fun times. Now here's where black holes go from scary to absolutely mind-melting. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes actually evaporate over time by emitting radiation. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. This creates what's called the information paradox, and it's basically broken physics for the past 50 years. Here's the problem. Quantum mechanics says information can never be destroyed. But if you throw a book into a black hole and the black hole evaporates, where did the information in that book go? It's like the universe is playing a cosmic shell game and we can't find the ball. Some scientists think there's a firewall at the event horizon that would incinerate you before you even enter. Others believe in the holographic principle, that all the information is somehow encoded on the black hole's surface like a cosmic hard drive. The truth is, nobody knows, and it's driving physicists absolutely crazy. Here's something that'll keep you up at night. Black holes are literally time machines. The closer you get to one, the slower time moves relative to the rest of the universe. If you hovered just outside the event horizon for what feels like an hour to you, decades could pass on Earth. You could come back to find everyone you know has aged and died while you've barely aged at all. It's like the universe's cruelest practical joke. But wait, it gets weirder. Some rotating black holes might contain closed time-like curves, basically paths through space-time that loop back on themselves. Theoretically, you could travel into your own past. Of course, you'd have to survive the journey first, which is unlikely. We actually deal with this effect in real life. GPS satellites have to account for time dilation because they're further from Earth's gravity well. Without these corrections, your GPS would be off by miles. Okay, strap in for this one because we're about to go full sci-fi, except this is actual science. Some physicists think black holes might be connected to white holes, theoretical objects that spew out matter instead of sucking it in. The connection? Wormholes. These Einstein-Rosen bridges could theoretically connect different regions of space-time or even different universes entirely. Imagine falling into a black hole in our universe and popping out of a white hole in a completely different reality. Some theories suggest that every black hole could be giving birth to a new baby universe on the other side. If that's true, our entire universe might have been born from a black hole in some parent universe. And that parent universe? Born from a black hole in its parent universe. It's black holes all the way down, creating an infinite cosmic family tree of universes. Here's something comforting. There's probably a supermassive black hole at the center of every galaxy, including ours. Sagittarius A star, the black hole at the center of the Milky Way, has the mass of 4 million suns and could fit inside Mercury's orbit. But that's nothing compared to some monsters out there. We found black holes with the mass of 66 billion suns. These things are so massive, they shouldn't even exist according to our models. Yet there they are, casually breaking physics. The really fun part? Black holes are constantly growing by eating matter, merging with other black holes, and some might be wandering through space as rogues after being kicked out of their home galaxies. Oh, and some scientists think primordial black holes from the early universe could be what we call dark matter. So, not only are black holes everywhere, they might literally make up most of the universe. But here's the ultimate mystery that keeps physicists awake at night. We have absolutely no idea what happens inside a black hole. Our physics completely breaks down at the singularity. General relativity says there's a point of infinite density and infinite curvature, but infinity isn't really an answer. It's math's way of saying, I give up. Quantum mechanics suggests something completely different might be happening. Maybe the singularity isn't really singular. Maybe it's a region where space and time themselves break down and reform into something unrecognizable. Some theories suggest the inside of a black hole contains a finite but mind-bendingly huge amount of space, like a cosmic TARDIS. Others think time might flow backwards inside the event horizon. The truth is, we're dealing with conditions so extreme that our current understanding of physics is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. So there you have it. Black holes are cosmic monsters that eat light, bend time, might connect to other universes, and contain physics so weird that we don't even have words for it yet. They're simultaneously the most destructive and most creative forces in the universe, capable of destroying entire star systems, while also possibly giving birth to new universes. The craziest part? We've only just started to understand them. The Event Horizon Telescope gave us our first real picture of a black hole in 2019, and every new discovery just makes them more mysterious. What do you think is hiding inside a black hole? A gateway to another dimension? The secret to time travel? Or just really, really dense matter doing really, really weird things? Let me know in the comments what black hole mystery freaks you out the most. And if you enjoyed having your mind completely melted by cosmic horror, smash that like button and subscribe for more space content that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. Trust me, we're just getting started with the weird stuff.